Peppa Pig, Peppa's Space Trip, and Teddy's Day Out. Peppa's Space Trip. Peppa and her friends are going to make a time capsule. We'll put special things in this box and then we'll bury it in the school garden, says Madame Gazelle. The time capsule will stay in the ground for a long time. In the future, people will dig it up and they will know how we lived, says Madame Gazelle. I think we will all live on the moon in the future, says Peppa. After they bury the time capsule, Teddy Pig digs up the one all the grown-ups made with Madame Gazelle a long time ago. Madame Gazelle takes everything out of the old time capsule. A comic, some music, and a toy, she says, just like the things we put in ours, says Peppa. Making time capsule is such fun, and finding them is even better. Teddy's Day Out. Today Peppa and her family are having a picnic. So is Zebra and her daddy. Mr. Zebra, the postman, are coming too. Look, Zoe, I've brought Teddy with me, says Peppa. And I brought my monkey, says Zoe. George says, "Grrr, dinosaur." Zoe Zebra has got a toy picnic set. We've got pretend cake, she says. The duck don't want pretend cake. Oh, well, that means there is more for Monkey, Mr. Dinosaur, and Teddy, says Peppa. It's home time for Peppa and her family. Zoe Zebra packs her toy picnic set away. Oh no, she says, Peppa has forgotten her Teddy. Poor Peppa is very upset. Mr. Zebra, the postman, takes Zoe to Peppa's house. Special delivery for Miss Peppa Pig, says Zoe. Hooray, it's Teddy, says Peppa.